Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel NCERT Mitra. In previous video, we already discussed about or started a new chapter, that is the industries. Industry, there we finished the definitions, importance of the industries, then the types of the industries on the basis of raw material, investment, ownership, and the you can see the types of the raw material or the finished good. Okay. On the basis of size, we already discussed. Okay, all these things I already discussed. So today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is the factors. We already also discussed what are the factors. We will a lot of discuss importance industries of the world. Today we have to discuss. Perhaps you can see in my background I have shown a one diagram. So in this diagram you can see, in this map you can see there's the some of the industries which are the located in the different part of the world. Okay, in the North America, some of you can see South America, then Africa, okay, and the European countries. A number of a lot of industries you can find over there. Okay, so one by one we have to discuss, and all type of industries we have to discuss a lot. First thing you can see the near the coal mine area, you can see the Germany. If you visit in the Germany, so there you can find the Ruhr area, Saxony area. Britain, you can see the Lancashire, okay, New Yorkshire, and the South Wales. United States, Appalachian Peninsula states, and the Great Lakes state. There are Great Lakes, 5 lakes, combination of the 5 lakes. There, Australia, you can find the near the coal mine area, that is the sea. New South Wales regions. Okay, China in the Wuhan is the very famous for the spreading of the corona in 2019. Perhaps you know, sir, the Ansan and the Konjos. And near the coast, near the sea coast, the Japan area, Japan, India, and USA. Perhaps you can see important for the gold. Japan actually they don't have any type of resource. They have to import from the another area and develop the iron and steel industry in the Osaka and the Kobe regions. India, you can see the Visakhapatnam, Ratnagiri, and Mangalore area. There you can find this type of industries. US, you can see the importance of the Canada in the coastal of the cities of the Cleveland and the Detroit, Chicago. Detroit is famous for the automobile industry. Okay, iron and steel industry. Perhaps you can see USA, Pittsburgh, Great Lake region, Canada, the Lawrence Valley, St. Lawrence Valley, Germany, that is still iron and Ruhr area. Then come to France area, that is the Alsace area. There you can Lorraine area. Britain, you can see the Binghamton and the Midlands. So these are the Sweden. You can find over there central regions. Okay, CIS area means the Commonwealth of the Independent Nations. Ural regions. Ural is one of the mountain that is located between the Europe and Asia. Okay, Ural mountain. China, Manchuria regions. Okay, northern China. These are the area here you can find. Then come to the copper, you can say this is what is the ore-based industry. Okay, perhaps you can see Chile. Okay, so these are the industry you can find. Florida, Canada. So this on the basis of this industry has set up. Okay, refinery, you can say that also you can find. These are the Arabia, Tasrandura. Okay, then come to the another state, the Kuwait. Okay, so wherever we get the resources, there we can easily find out the industry a lot of area. Okay, so this thing we have to understand a lot. Then come to here is the Australia, Queensland, Victoria, Tasmania. Okay, this area is very much famous for the all type of resources. Bauxite you can find over there. So bauxite is very useful for the aluminum industry. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. India is a raincut. There is the bauxite is also found. Okay, automobile industry in the Detroit. Okay, then come to the Japan. Coffee production. So these are the not important for that. Acha, cotton you can find because of this cotton and iron steel industry also found over there. Okay, so these are the area where we can find. First thing you can say that some of the area. Iron and steel in the Asia is the, you can say, perhaps you know, the largest producer of the, here is the Asia, largest producer of the the world producing iron and steel. Shanghai, okay, Tianjin, Wuhan is the one area we already discussed a lot about this. Now, in India, you can see the Jamshedpur, Rourkela, then you can see the Bhilai, Durgapur, Salem, Bhadrapati are the main area where you can find out this area. In North America, you can say the North Appalachian area. Okay, then come North Appalachian, this area. Then come to the Great Lakes regions and Mid-Atlantic region. In Europe, you can find the number of Russia, Germany, Turkey, Ukraine. Okay, so these are the area where you can find it. Then come to the South America. Perhaps you know this is the South America. Here you can find the Brazil. Okay, Brazil is the most among leading producer of the steel in the world. Colombia, Venezuela in the northern portion. Colombia, Venezuela, Macoda. Okay, so these are the area. Cotton textile area, perhaps you know, which is the fabric cotton. That can today is the cotton textile industry is one of the mixed. Okay, top producers if you see the cotton, China, USA, India. Okay, here is China, then USA, then India is the most important countries in the world. Okay, industries, Coimbatore in India, Coimbatore, perhaps you know, that is the Coimbatore, and you can say the Kanpur, Puducherry. Okay, so these are the area, perhaps you know, in my map I have shown, these are the area where the Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, these are the area where you can find it. Okay, so world leaders of the, you can see the world leaders, perhaps you can see that is the Beijing in China, leaders, world leaders. Who are the world leaders in the IT? And IT industry also can be developed, also developed in the information technology developed, that is the Paris, Paris area. Then come to the, you can say, if you see the map, so that time you can search it. Okay, Russia is also. Then come to the Beijing in China, Silicon Valley in the Israel, Bengaluru in India, Techno City or Tech City in the United Kingdom. Okay, so these are the area where the most of the production of the IT sector has been developed. Sugar industry you can also found over the all over the India map. You can perhaps you can see that is the sugar industry in the widely used in the agriculture products in the world. It is mainly used for the sweeteners or the, it is key the, you can say, the industry. Sugar is also used for the manufacture and the what the manufacture and the medicines. Sugar is derived from the sugar cane and sugar cane beets, and which is very perishable and ethanol. It is very much useful. Okay, shipbuilding industry means the shipbuilding industry for the next actually next video actually we want to discuss the this thing, that is the, perhaps you know, that is the from the IT industry. Okay, so this much you just revise this chapter again and again up to the information technology. Okay, thank you. Till then, thank you for watching this video.